Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app, and if you never used it before, selecting Allow in the pop-ups. When you're ready, tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to this right one. Add a bookmark by tapping on the left one. And end it and save it thanks to the middle one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it. Choose Rename at the bottom. Type in whatever you wish to and hit OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it as well. But this time select Delete option at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!